Welcome along people to another one of my little videos. Today I'm going to be fitting a Roadloc XRA 307 to my BMW 1250 GSA. This is what you get in the kit from Roadloc. The main body of the lock, the locking pin. This goes in place of the locking pin when the bike has been ridden. An array of spacers. You get small spacers, replacement bolts, and a key. You also get a flag, but I shall show you the flag when we have fitted the lock. Roadloc do lots of different versions of this lock, and you can see it. But this particular lock is made for the 1250 GS, 1250 GS or 1250 GSA. The brakes are the same. I did have it mounted on my last bike, my 1200, and yeah, it did need a little bit of jiggery pokery to get it to fit, but it should be a lot easier to put it on. So I'll put the link in description of the last video, so if you want to watch that one first, or you can just watch this one and see how we get on. I am going to put them somewhere safe in case I ever decide that I'm going to take the Roadloc off and put it onto a different bike or whatever. This is the original BMW bolt I've just taken out, and as you can see, this bolt threads down into the fork leg quite a long way. The new bolt is considerably longer than the standard BMW bolt. It needs to be longer because it's going to hold your caliper, and now it will hold the Roadloc in place as well. All of the different spacers are for different makes and models of motorcycles. Please refer to the Roadloc instructions that you should get with the kit to find out what is the appropriate size spacer for your bike. Spacers, then you can see there's a small short spacer on there, and that goes onto the bolt. This slot goes over the disc. Spacer at the top. Try not to let it fall out. Someone asked me the other week, why do I do everything so awkwardly? It's because I've got a camera in the way. Now this is a little top tip I gave people on the last video I did of this Roadloc. So I tighten these up and I get the locking pin with the lock unlocked, and then I put the locking pin in place. So this basically, by putting the locking pin in place while the bolts are still loose, just helps to align the lock. And then I just tighten up the bolts. When these two bolts are tightened up, and that is nice and tight, check that the pin, the locking pin, check that the locking pin goes in nice and easy, and it flicks into the disc without any hassle. Okay? If it's too tight, or the locking pin doesn't go into, see, it's just popped out all by itself. If it doesn't go in easy and come out easy, then these two spacers here are wrong. You need to find a different set of spacers. So find the right and appropriate size spacers. Guilty as charged. The last two spacers I showed you, which were these two, then you can see, let's try and see, there's only a fraction in it, but they were slightly too small. There's still enough bolt in the fork leg, but it means that when you push on the pin, the end of the pin is sprung load, so it will push against the disc. When you're pushing in your lock, it should be able to flick in. You can hear that click. That's the pin flicking into the disc. So now your wheel is locked, and when you get your key in like that, the locking pin just pops back out again. So there you go. So it's fitted. Now I'll put the flag on after I've cleaned my hands. I was getting ahead of myself. So when you are about to ride off down the road, this hole potentially can get full of road dirt. You put the blanking little thing in. I want to call it a blanking plate, but it's not a plate, so it's a blanking thing. It goes in instead of the pin, and now your little hole will stay clear of mud. The advantages of having a road lock is the road lock is always fitted to your bike. I guess the disadvantages of the road lock is the road lock's always fitted to your bike. No, I say that jokingly really, but the only downside I could ever find with this when it was fitted to my last bike was the lock became slightly sticky, but I have oiled it and I've put a bit of graphite grease in there, and the lock is functioning, as you can tell, absolutely fine. So the little flag is in place now on the pin, just helps pull the pin out. Obviously the bike won't be up on a jack, but you would roll the bike into position, and then locking pin would lock in place. The disadvantages of one of these is if you take your bike off of the center stand, if the lock is all the way up there and you take the bike off of the center stand, and I've seen this happen more than once, you put your bike in first gear, and this actually happened to me once, rather embarrassingly, the lock jams in here. The chances are you'll lose your balance or you'll break your caliper if you forget to take your disc lock off. Okay, let's take the disc lock off. That cannot happen with the road lock. Once the road lock pin is in place, the bike cannot roll. You can't even take the bike off the center stand. So that's a huge advantage. I guess the slight and mild disadvantage, but I got used to it really quickly, is you do need to roll the wheel to get the pin to go through. I think it goes through every 8th hole or something. You can see on the disc the holes aren't evenly cut. They're kind of at an angle. They're kind of at an angle. So they go through every 8th or 5th or whatever hole. Let's kind of take it out of there and put it in there. So now the pin is not through the disc, and we're going to try and roll the wheel. There you go, and it's locked. So you didn't actually have to roll the wheel that far to get it to lock. And that's it, fitted. And so ends another video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hopefully you found some of my install video of the Roadloc XRA 307 of interest. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't, please leave a thumbs down. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. And thanks ever so much to all of the new subscribers. I've seen some very interesting names from lots of different parts of the world. I find it really intriguing. So take care people, and until next time, see you later. Bye bye.